Hi coffee beans! How's it brewing? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. You probably already saw it in the thumbnail and the title. Well, my hollow unicorn and kitty dish were super popular, but also my husband actually never saw this video. I know. Shame on him, right? So I thought it would be really fun for him to do the voiceover of that video. It is just a joke. It's not serious. You can watch the actual video with me showing you what I did in the iCard or in the description below. But without further ado, here is my husband to try and tell you about the unicorn dish. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Not really, but okay. bunnieDIY. Hi, coffee beans. How's it brewing? You know, just the usual grind. I don't know, whatever. Daily grind. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications. Oh, I do remember this. Very mushy mold. For whatever reason, the resin didn't cure all that well. Solardust.com. This is some kind of, I'm guessing some kind of mica powder that is very sparkly. Alright, so now we're putting it with a eyeshadow applicator, getting all in the nooks and crannies of the kitty ears corner there. This is a lovely tray mold. There's a discount link below, apparently, of some kind. Alright, getting all on the edges. Really getting in those edges. Yeah, no, these molds are kind of cool.
It's a lot of footage. That's a lot of footage of this mold.
I know. I mean, it's fine. It's cool. I mean, just kind of painting it on there, making it full coverage. Full coverage. This stuff is super fine. This little mica powder stuff is like, it's almost not like cornstarch, powdery like that, but it really does have a powdery quality. Here we are with the unicorn mold now. Getting in all the nooks and crannies of the horn and the mane. I could see if someone was kind of new to this and they weren't really familiar with how these kind of molds operate. I know I would mess it up. I'd straight up just sprinkle it in there and hope for the best, but I could see that's not the move. All right, and powder. Oh, I mean, that looks cool on its own. I mean, dang, that looks cool on its own. Like, we don't even need to pour. I mean, that's the art piece. All right, now here we got to, oh, hey, snippity snap, glove time, baby. Okay, so now we're mixing for 3 minutes. I've gathered that information very fast. Her phone battery is at 75%. It's 8:28 p.m. So I know all that information now. Pinata alcohol inks, I'm guessing, because alcohol inks is like bomb.com when you're pigmenting epoxy. And this is 2-stage epoxy. That's why we had to mix it so much. And now this looks really cool. This looks like Venom symbiote. I'm really digging how glossy that is. Just pouring it in and flatten, put a little bit on there and just kind of scoop it back. All right, now we're getting blazed. Okay, now we throw some in the unicorn there. Now this would mess with me because like to the you know, the, I don't know, the layman, the non-expert, I'm like, but the epoxy's so dark, it's almost black. Like nothing's gonna be shiny. It's like you're ruining it. You're Bob Rossing it. You know, you've gone too far. We can't go back anymore. But Bunnie knows what she's doing. I don't. Oh, dang. See, that's cool already. Wow. It is very holographic. Like, whoa. The multi-chromatic. Okay, this is dope. This is dope. Yeah, no. And see, and it came out much better. It's not all bendy and floppy like the other one was. I don't know what the epoxy situation was there, but this is nice. That looks so cool. You know, I know trays and things like this are trending. I can't think of anything to put in this kind of stuff. But even on its own, it's just fun to look at. Wow. Apparently there's links below, but hey, I don't even care about those. I'm looking at this right now. Wow. And see, like, even the spots where she didn't really get it in there all that well still works. It almost... Because, I'm being real. I'm being real with y'all. But no, like, it works because it almost looks like an old mirror. You know, like the really tarnished old mirrors. And some people do that for fun. Like, there's, like, this whole method online where you can, like, get an old mirror and use this solvent on the back. This gets a thumbs up for me, for sure. Make sure you smash on that subscribe button. Notifications... We don't play. Hit that notifications button. Come on, guys. Love it. Big pumping red heart. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that because I thought it was really cool. Yeah.
I think husband did a really good job.
Hey. You might be careful. I might snatch all your subscribers, dog.
No,
don't do it. No, that's really cool. No, it's a cool project. I like how it's like sparkly on top and then black underneath. Like, now that I think about it, if it was
like white or clear,
right, like it would, like the effect would not be the same. Like it would not be as good. So that's cool. I like that. It's really really cool idea. Thanks for watching, everyone. I love you a latte, and I'm here to mocha you happy. See, I'm adding that. It's a new thing now. Copyright husband. I just want to mocha you happy.
We need to think of some more catchphrases.
You're a frappuccino of fun. No, that's copyrighted. You can't say.
That is copyrighted.
Frappe of fun. I don't know.
All right, bye everybody.
Bye.